In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for creating a PowerPoint presentation. This easy guide will walk you through the steps so that you can effectively leverage this tool by 2025. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. This is your starting point for finding the Perplexity AI website. Using a search engine like Google ensures that you find the most updated link and access the correct platform without any hassle. Once you're on Google, simply type Perplexity into the search bar. This action will generate a list of search results related to Perplexity AI. As a tip, typing precise keywords can help refine your search and bring up relevant results more quickly. Now, take a look at the search results and click on the official Perplexity website link. You'll typically find this as one of the top results. It's crucial to ensure that you're accessing the authentic site to avoid any security risks and to make sure all features work correctly. Once you're on the Perplexity AI website, it's time to engage with the powerful capabilities of this tool by inputting a prompt. For this tutorial, let's create a PowerPoint presentation focused on spices. In the input field, type something along the lines of PowerPoint for spices. Include the adjustments to guide the AI in preparing the presentation content that meets your needs. Remember, the more specific your prompt, the more tailored the content will be. Next, navigate to the Labs section of the website by clicking on the Labs button. This section is where you can test out experimental features that Perplexity AI offers. Utilizing these labs can enrich your experience and potentially offer more dynamic functionalities for creating your presentation. Finally, after making your prompt and any selections or adjustments necessary, head over to the Submit button and click it. This action will send your request to Perplexity AI's system, which will then process your input and generate the required PowerPoint presentation structure. Don't forget to review the output for any needed tweaks or further personalization to ensure it exactly matches your envisioned outcome. And there you have it, a straightforward path to using Perplexity AI for crafting a comprehensive PowerPoint presentation. This tool is designed to simplify and enhance your content creation process, making it seamless and efficient. Whether for work, school projects, or personal use, knowing how to navigate Perplexity AI will undoubtedly empower your presentation building skills. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been beneficial for you. Enjoy creating your next masterpiece with Perplexity AI.